Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and today we are here at Walt Disney World, specifically at Fort Wilderness Campground. And today we are going to go for lunch. Right, Tony?
Right.
We're going to go to P&J's Southern Takeout. Since we don't have reservations and it's very difficult to get reservations here on property at Walt Disney World, we decided to go to a counter service, P&J's, near Pioneer Hall at Fort Wilderness Campground. So we're going to take a bus back to Pioneer Hall and eat at P&J's Southern Restaurant. And today I have with me Tony, of course, here to my left. We have T Stranger behind me. We have Diz D. We have Mrs. Stranger. We have Mom Stranger, Pop-Up Stranger, and Papa John.
Good afternoon.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
All right. Well, he can sit outside. We're going to go eat inside at P&J's Southern Takeout next to the Hoop-to-Do Review, Pioneer Hall. So come with us. We're going to take a bus back there and we're going to have some fun, right guys?
Yay!
Come along with us. Happy to be back on the Disney bus?
Yes! Long time!
Hey, Tony.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Ready to go eat?
So excited! Woohoo! Back to Disney!
Ready to go eat?
This is the bus to San Jose.
Yeah, that's good. One thing that one notices after being let off the bus here at Pioneer Hall is this huge construction wall. What could be going on here? Hey, let's take a quick look over and see what's going on. What's going on? Nothing. More on that in a bit. We can't wait for the Hoop-de-Doo review to come back sometime soon.
Mom has something to say. Very cool music.
Oh, you like the music, do you?
I love the music.
Ma loves the music.
Hold on.
Come back soon, Hoop-de-Doo. All right, we've made it back here to P&J's. You guys hungry?
Yum! Starving.
There's Pioneer Hall, and it's right next door.
With chicken or without chicken? With chicken or without?
Two berry chicken salads.
Oh, you want a berry? I didn't know yours was berry too.
Alright, with the chicken.
Yeah, with both with chicken.
Now I have the fried chicken two-piece meal.
The fried chicken two-piece meal, it comes with two sides. Beef, roasted, fried, mac and cheese, mashed potato.
Mashed potato. That's your number one.
Two.
Right.
Right, and a kid's meal cheeseburger?
A kid's meal cheeseburger come with fries. You can get one on the side, grapes, yogurt, cookie, carrots.
Yogurt? Yeah, the yogurt.
P&J's is counter service, so we got the ordering here. You can order online or you can order at the cash register at this moment. This guy looks like he's been around for a while. Buffalo wings, anybody? On the second level of P&J's is Davy Crockett's Tavern. Looks like a great place for a beer after a long day at the parks. All right, we just got our food and I got the berry salad with chicken on the side there. I'm gonna put it on my salad. And Tony, what did you get?
Bacon cheeseburger.
Yep, looks pretty decent. Which one did you get, T?
I got a kids meal cheeseburger.
This
I
T?
got pulled pork, and this is the barbecue.
Pour the barbecue on.
Yes, pulled pork sandwich.
You got another salad here, another berry salad.
Berry salad, very good.
You have?
I also got a pulled pork sandwich. Yum.
And what did you get?
Chicken little, chicken. 2 pieces and some, I guess, in a cornbread or something. I don't know.
Which one did you get?
I got the meat hamburger. And fries.
With bacon or not bacon?
Bacon.
Got the bacon on it.
Well, no, because we'll cut it in half then.
All right, here are our desserts for our Fort Wilderness lunch.
Wait, I'm putting my hat on.
Put your hat on.
Yay! You got a knife to cut it?
Sure.
Should I cut mine?
Cut yours.
What's that?
I'm gonna eat the Oreo first.
That thing there.
I know.
Like an Oreo cookie.
Give mom some, give her a cookie.
You want a cookie? Thank
Or
you.
give that to Tony, how about that?
All right.
With the whipped cream on it. Tastes like an Oreo with whipped cream on it.
Good.
Okay, I'll cut it.
We had pork.
No.
Moist,
Very.
Oreo-y.
Oh yeah.
They put icing in the middle of it too. So you get more icing.
Well, that's cool. How's your chocolate chip cookie?
Very good. Very moist and soft.
Oh, that's good.
This is the knife.
I got it.
Look at my nails. Yum.
How's your cookie?
There it is. Very good.
Ah. Oh no.
How's it?
The icing's good. It says some Oreo.
The whipped cream is Oreo? Is that what you're saying? The whipped
Yeah,
topping is Oreo?
Has Oreo bits in it. This is nice. Here, you want the other half?
Yeah, I don't have a half. It's just all over the place.
Here, Mommy, here's the icing part.
Oh, let me try.
I'll get more cake for you.
Just like an Oreo cookie.
Here, you want some?
Right?
Would Davy Crockett approve?
Oh yeah.
Really good.
Very good.
Mr. Disney Stranger, what are they building on the other side of that nutrition over there?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Papa John.
Inquiring minds want to
This used to be River Country. This is the area where River Country used to be. They were going to build another resort there, but because of the pandemic, they stopped the construction on the new resort. There's going to be a Tiana-themed restaurant over there, but right over there, you used to enter to go right into River
I
Country.
remember I was there back in 1943.
1943. This was all swamp.
You can edit that out.
river country.
River country, big river country, it's a hoot, it's a holler.
What you drinking?
Blue Moon.
Blue Moon.
Yep.
Right here at Crockett's Tavern.
Yep.
You cannot eat inside a Crockett's Tavern at the moment, but you can do takeout from the window right here.
Turn it too much at one time. Don't turn it so much. It won't do it all right.
Oh, okay. That's it. Slow her down.
Keep it down.
Oh!
Boy, good thing them people walked away.
You're not driving my car anytime soon. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us here on this trip to Fort Wilderness Campground. Tony, did you have a great lunch here at P&J's restaurant?
Oh yeah, it's great.
Would you have the
Bacon cheeseburger?
Yeah, that looked pretty good. And my
good.
chicken salad was really good. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these videos. But my family has one thing to say before we leave, and what's that, guys?
Don't forget to walk forward.
And backwards.
And backwards.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.